Welcome in, everybody, to my garden to join me in a little bit of sun gazing, watching the sun go down on Galway Bay. And you might hear my little cat purring. So you're going to have me and my cat sun gazing. And just a while ago I recorded a mantra for you. And the mantra is about 11 minutes long. And this is an invitation for you just to wind down and take 11 minutes or so to enjoy this beautiful, peaceful music. Let me see, can I work this out, how to turn around the camera so you can see the sun. No, I don't think I can do it. Well, I can just do it like this. And I've got the kitty here beside me, and I've got my pewter where I've got my pewter here where I recorded for you just a while ago. On this day, the 5th of the 5th, 2025. And I recorded it I started recording it at, I believe it was 1905, it's written on the document. And if you've been listening to my radio show, Rev Rija, Music to Nourish and Heal, you'll know that I do love a nice date like that. The 5th of the 5th, 2025 at 1905. How better could it be? Now we're also going to be joined by a little bee. How beautiful. And I'm just going to press play here for you. And let's see what happens. Oh, I've also got my bag of goodies, which helped me to relax. I've got my holiday flip-flops on. My holiday flip-flops. And I'm obviously going to take them off because we don't need any flippy floppies when we're grounding. So I'll just press play on my pewter, and you can hear the birdies there too. So let's see what happens. This mantra, which is called Chattr Vartee, is in the language of Gurmukhi. And the meaning of these words are, you are pervading in all the four directions, the enjoyer in all the four directions. You are self-illumined, profoundly beautiful, and united with all. Destroyer of the torments of birth and death, embodiment of mercy. You are ever within us. You are the everlasting giver of indestructible power. Listen along with me and sing along with me, sway along with me, put your feet in the grass and just enjoy this beautiful mantra. Chattr Chakkr Vartee, Chattr Chakkr Bhukte, Saramba Sabang Sarabada Saraba Jugate, Dukalang Pranasi Dayalang Sarupe, Sadayang Sange Abangang Bebute. Chattr Chakkr Vartee, Chattr Chakkr Bhukte, Swayamba Sabang Sarabada Saraba Jugate, Kalang Pranasi Dayalang Sarupe, Sadayang Sange Abangang Bebute. Chattr Chakkr Vartee, Chattr Chakkr Bhukte, Swayamba Sabang Sarabada Saraba Jugate, Kalang Pranasi Dayalang Sarupe, Sadang Sange Abangang Bebute. Chattr Chakkr Vartee, Chattr Chakkr Bhukte, Swayamba Sabang Sarabada Saraba Jugate, Kalang Pranasi Dayalang Sarupe, Sadang Sange Abangang Bebute. Chattr Chakkr Vartee, Chattr Chakkr Bhukte, Swayamba Sabang Sarabada Saraba Jugate, Kalang Pranasi Dayalang Sarupe, Sadang Sange Abangang Bebute. Chattr Chakkr Vartee, Chattr Chakkr Bhukte, Swayamba Sabang Sarabada Saraba Jugate, Kalang Pranasi Dayalang Sarupe, Sadang Sange Abangang Bebute. Chattr Chakkr Vartee, Chattr Chakkr Bhukte, Swayamba Sabang Sarabada Saraba Jugate, Kalang Pranasi Dayalang Sarupe, Sadang Sange Abangang Bebute. Chattr Chakkr Vartee, Chattr Chakkr Bhukte, Swayamba Sabang Sarabada Saraba Jugate, Kalang Pranasi Dayalang Sarupe, Sadang Sange Abangang Bebute. Chattr Chakkr Vartee, Chattr Chakkr Bhukte, Swayamba Sabang Sarabada Saraba Jugate, Kalang Pranasi Dayalang Sarupe, Sadang Sange Abangang Bebute. Chattr Chakkr Vartee, Chattr Chakkr Bhukte, Swayamba Sabang Sarabada Saraba Jugate, Kalang Pranasi Dayalang Sarupe, Sadang Sange Abangang Bebute. Chattr Chakkr Vartee, Chattr Chakkr Bhukte, Swayamba Sabang Sarabada Saraba Jugate, Kalang Pranasi Dayalang Sarupe, Sadang Sange Abangang Bebute. Chattr Chakkr Vartee, Chattr Chakkr Bhukte, Swayamba Sabang Sarabada Saraba Jugate, Kalang Pranasi Dayalang Sarupe, Sadayang Sange Abangang Bebute. Chattr Chakkr Vartee, Chattr Chakkr Bhukte, Swayamba Sabang Sarabada Saraba Jugate, Kalang Pranasi Dayalang Sarupe, Sadang Sange Abangang Bebute.
Gotta keep those midges away.
Chattr Chakkr Vartee Chattr Chakkr Bhugate Swayamba Sabang Sarabda Sarabha Jugate Kalang Pranasi Yalang Sarupe Sadang Sange Avangang Vibhutte Chattr Chakkr Vartee Chattr Chakkr Bhugate Swayamba Sabang Sarabda Sarabha Jugate Kalang Pranasi Yalang Sarupe Sadang Sange Avangang Vibhutte Chattr Chakkr Vartee Chattr Chakkr Bhugate Swayamba Sabang Sarabda Sarabha Jugate Kalang Pranasi Dayalang Sarupe Sabang Sange Avangang Vibhutte Chattr Chakkr Vartee Chattr Chakkr Bhugate Swayamba Sabang Sarabda Sarabha Jugate Kalang Pranasi Dayalang Sarupe Sadang Sange Avangang Vibhutte Chattr Chakkr Vartee Chattr Chakkr Bhugate Swayamba Sabang Sarabda Sarabha Jugate Kalang Pranasi Dayalang Sarupe Sadang Sange Avangang Vibhutte Chattr Chakkr Vartee Chattr Chakkr Bhugate Swayamba Sabang Sarabda Sarabha Jugate Kalang Pranasi Dayalang Sarupe Sadang Sange Avangang Vibhutte Chattr Chakkr Vartee Chattr Chakkr Bhugate Swayamba Sabang Sarabda Sarabha Jugate Kalang Pranasi Dayalang Sarupe Sadang Sange Avangang Vibhutte Chattr Chakkr Vartee Chattr Chakkr Bhugate Swayamba Sabang Sarabda Sarabha Jugate Kalang Pranasi Dayalang Sarupe Sadang Sange Avangang Vibhutte Chattr Chakkr Vartee Chattr Chakkr Bhugate Swayamba Sabang Sarabda Sarabha Jugate Kalang Pranasi Dayalang Sarupe Sadang Sange Avangang Vibhutte Chattr Chakkr Vartee Chattr Chakkr Bhugate Swayamba Sabang Sarabda Sarabha Jugate Kalang Pranasi Dayalang Sarupe Sadang Sange Avangang Vibhutte Chattr Chakkr Vartee Chattr Chakkr Bhugate Swayamba Sabang Sarabda Sarabha Jugate Kalang Pranasi Dayalang Sarupe Sadayang Sange Avangang Vibhutte Chattr Chakkr Vartee Chattr Chakkr Bhugate Swayamba Sabang Sarabda Sarabha Jugate Kalang Pranasi Dayalang Sarupe Sadayang Sange Avangang Vibhutte Chattr Chakkr Vartee Chattr Chakkr Bhugate Swayamba Sabang Sarabda Sarabha Jugate Kalang Pranasi Dayalang Sarupe Sadayang Sange Avangang Vibhutte Chattr Chakkr Vartee, Chattr Chakkr Bhugte, Swayamba Sabang Sarabda Sarabha Jugte, Tukalam Pranasi, Dayalang Sarupe, Sadayang Sange, Abangam Vibhute. Chattr Chakkr Vartee, Chattr Chakkr Bhugte, Swayamba Sabang Sarabda Sarabha Jugte, Tukalang Pranasi, Dayalang Sarupe, Sadang Sange, Abangam Vibhute. Bararandanda. Chattr Chakkr Vartee, Chattr Chakkr Bhugte, Swayamba Sabang Sarabda Sarabha Jugte, Tukalang Pranasi, Dayalang Sarupe, Sadang Sange, Abangam Vibhute. Chattr Chakkr Vartee, Chattr Chakkr Bhugte, Swayamba Sabang Sarabda Sarabha Jugte, Tukalang Pranasi, Dayalang Sarupe, Sadang Sange, Abangam Vibhute. Thank you, sunshine. Thank you, beautiful birds. Thank you, beautiful cat, who's actually at the bottom of the garden now, sitting straight, staring straight out at the sun. Thank you, beautiful incense that helped me to keep away the little midges. Thank you, beautiful grass. And most of all, thank you, beautiful listeners, watchers. Allowing me to share the love. I hope this brought you a little bit of peace and joy at the end of your day, or at the beginning of your day, or in the middle of your day. Slanga fála gani ushle. Bye for now. And if you'd like more peace and joy and beautiful music, do listen in to my radio show every second Wednesday on Flirt FM Galway. Today is Monday, so on Wednesday, the 7th of May 2025, you'll hear the next show of mine at 2 p.m. Irish time. And if you can't listen live, you can catch that show as soon as I upload it to Mixcloud, and you can also listen to other shows from the archive. From me and Flirt FM Galway, slanga fála gani ushle agus gur maithagaibh, and do enjoy the sunset. I want to show you now what it looks like.